Hi guys, welcome to another episode of
Math Engineering Lab.
In this video, we will show you amazing science tricks that can be done with oil. To begin, you will need 2 identical cups, a piece of cardboard, vegetable oil, food colorant, and finally water. Start by fully filling a cup with oil. Then, fill an identical cup with water. Next, get the cardboard piece, put it on top of the water, press on it firmly and place it on top of the oil cup like this. Then start by gently sliding the cardboard to open a small area for the water and oil to meet. Watch how the oil moves upwards and gets replaced with water. This is due to the difference in density between the two fluids. Now we will show you how you can make it even more fascinating. Start by mixing the water with food colorant and repeat the same steps. Now we will show you another amazing experiment that can be done with oil. Grab a larger cup and fill it with oil. Get an ice cube and throw it in. As you can see, the ice cube will float slowly in the liquid. And now, we will add colored water. Check the separation between the two fluids. Now we will add another ice cube and we will move them upward so they can float again. If you push one ice cube toward the bottom, it will resettle on top of the water and at the bottom of the oil. Leaving the other one floating freely, we will witness 2 ice cubes at different levels. And now, to the aftermath of the experiments. This is it guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also please do not forget to subscribe. Peace!